Assalamualaikum, I'm Dr GA Siddiqui, caste-based genomic homeopath, and you are watching AHCC Health channel. Today, I will share you best health tips and specific trial medicine for specific problem and emergency. Let's begin journey together, better health. Today, let's talk about heartache, signs, symptom treatment, and precaution. What to do in an emergency? Heart attack, myocardial infarction. The symptom sign of the myocardial infarction, chest pain, pressure, pain radiating to arm, neck, jaw, shortness of breath, excusing pain, contraction, nausea and vomiting, fatigue. Sign: abnormal ECG reading, elevated troponin level, cardiac enzyme level increase, fainting. Start the homeopathic medicine. Econite 1 m directly 2 drops on tongue. When the patient fear, anxiety and breathless. Writum album 1 m 2 drop directly on tongue. For the sign and symptom of collapse, weakness, pale skin, cold sweating. Cactus 1 m, squeezing, contraction pain, gripping on chest pain. Call 1122 immediately. Have the person to sit down and stay calm. If trained, give the CPR, 30 compression and 2 breathe. If the person becomes unconscious and stops breathe, please loosen the tight clothing for comfort, avoid giving food, drink. Remember, quick actions save the life. You have only 2 to 5 minutes to rescue the patient. Prevention strategy for heart attack or heart disease, heart arrest, and the healthy heart. Please change the lifestyle, regular exercise, healthy diet, maintain healthy weight, BMI between 18.5 and 24.9. Quiet smoking, the person's family history of heart disease, additional measurement, avoid to stress, sleep 7 to 8 hours. Thank you for watching ACC Health. I, Dr. GA Siddiqui, hope these health tips and trial medicine help you in emergency. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more expert advice and stay healthy and take care. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.